Hi everyone, my name is Murat. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about basic data quality pipelines in Azure Data Factory, or you can use this method in different platforms in your workspaces as well. I will just go ahead and show you the pipeline, how we can create basic pipeline. So let's go and first look for lookup activity, and let's give it a name. Table names, and then settings, and I will go ahead and connect it to my data source. This can be any data source. It could be SQL servers, or it could be any SQL database. Basically, we don't want first row, we want all the rows. And then here I will just copy paste some code. It's very simple code. So this code checks the table names, and it will tell you all the tables inside your data source. Okay, so once we have done this, we will need second activity, which is ForEach. Okay, so why do we need this is because we have all the table names. Now we can use those table names and get information about them. So we will connect it on success, and then here under ForEach we will we'll do sequential, then we will do a dynamic, and here it will be getting all the table names, and we will say value. Okay, and we'll hit OK, and then once we are in, we will look for store procedure. Okay, and then this store procedure will connect to any database, and in my case it's this one, and then we will not see any store procedure because I have no store procedure in the database. So this is my database. Let's actually take a look into one of the tables. These are dummy data, and I have created 3 tables: customers, orders, and products. Let's go ahead and create new query, and then I will paste some code, and I will go over it pretty quickly. So I will also attach this code under the description section of my video. So in this code, it creates a procedure called data quality check. Okay, and then these are the variables, and you can get total columns, name, count, and then total rows and null values, and at the end it actually creates a table called data quality log. And so I will just go ahead and run this SQL code, and then okay, now it's succeeded. Now if we look under store procedure, we're going to see data quality check store procedure. Now we will go back to our store procedure, and if I refresh it, now I can see my store procedure, and I will give a nice name. Let's say data quality checks. Of course, if you want to add more metrics to your data quality checks, you can also do that. And then I will create new parameter, and this parameter, I will call it table name. It will be string, and then value will be for each dot table name. Okay, and then I will just go back and I will hit run, and let's see what will happen just in a second. Okay, now we can see all of our activities succeeded. Now we can check our database. Now I will refresh it one more time, and I will come here, and now I can see data quality log table. Now if I want to select top 1000 rows, now I can see some information about our database, and we see that we have customers, orders, products tables. We have total rows of 10 total of 10 rows. Let's just double check. As you can see, we only have 10 rows here. Now let me go back, and total columns are 6, null values are 4, and empty string count is 0, and we can see the timestamp. Of course, you can add more metrics, which I will be talking about that in my next videos. And thanks for watching this video. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next ones. Thank you.